Welcome to my YouTube channel, The VA Mom Diaries.
Hi there, this is Nikki again, and welcome back for another video. This is about how we can create your email address. So, very basic siya. Usually, ang ginagamit na email addresses right now is Outlook and Gmail. But I'd prefer to use the easiest, so it is actually gmail.com. Marami sa atin kasi yung meron ng email addresses. But for some na wala pang email address, or literal na nag-start pa lang, or merong lumang email address pero magsasama-sama lahat. Kumbaga, ayaw, gusto niyang, iba na email yung gamitin niya ulit. So, it's just a refresh on how you can create your email using Gmail. Okay, so yeah, here we go. And this is actually the inside of Gmail. So, but since I'm gonna teach you on how to create your own step by step, ito siya. So, click on create account and then click on for my personal use. And here you have to type your sorry. You have to type your first and last name. Okay, let's say for example, my name and last name, and your date of birth, and your gender. And you'll see here right now na merong provided na email addresses, but you can also create your own email address if in case hindi mo bet yung mga nakasulat dun sa taas or yung mga options na binigay sa'yo ni Gmail. But right now, I'm gonna choose the first one para lang mapabilis. And then next is you have to create your strong password. So strong password, most probably it is a combination of um, alphabet, alphabet and numbers and any symbols like exclamation point, question mark, point, comma, decimal point, something like that. And you have to create. Let's say I have it here. I created mine. Let's say, for example, hold on. And then retype the password that you have in mind. And if you want to make sure that you have um, the matching password for the password part and the confirm part, just click on this little box na show password. And then once you confirm that it's the same, click on next. And then it will route you to a QR code. So here, yung QR code na yan, actually, it is an added security just in case na-miss mo yung password mo or it's an access of your Gmail to your phone as well. And yeah, and once you completed all this and some other informations that they needed, let's say for example your mobile phone number and backup email address, once you already settled all the information, you will be routed to this part. So this part is the landing page or the inbox of your Gmail. So you will see here initially is the welcome email from Google and that some of the things that you need to know with regards to your email address. So very simple lang siya and mag-work na siya once it's already verified. So if you want to create account on Upwork, LinkedIn, you can actually link this email account. That way, if they have like notification, you'll receive it here on your Gmail. So I think that will be all for now, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.